Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to prepare the bait to attract those pesky flies. First, we need a fly trap. You can make one or purchase one. Second, the bait. Prawn heads. Save a few when you are cleaning your prawns and chuck them in the freezer for later use. I use 2 to 3 heads per trap. Then add water. You can also add a few drops of dishwashing liquid to help the flies drown. Next, keep it in your garden where it gets plenty of sunlight and let the magic happen. In a couple of days, you will notice flies being attracted to the smell and ending up in the trap. Don't forget to top up the water in the trap. Once your trap is full, dig a hole in your garden and bury the flies. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.